Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about loop and about string, which I used in the previous video. Let's go. First, with the loop, we have two command loop types that we often use in Arduino. The for loop, which I used in the previous video, and the while loop. I will explain how the for loop works first and make an example. Then I will make an example with while loop. Okay, this is the procedure and how to create a for loop. In the for loop, we have four parts. First, initialize loop variables. This means you have to create a begin value. And the second is check condition expression. This means you have to check condition with the end value in order to continue loop or exit. And the third, you execute the statement. It means you run the program in loop and then you update variables. This means you will increase or decrease your value you create. Okay, and the for loop is corresponding to for position. This is the loop syntax. First, you have to put the initialize here. The second is condition, and your program run in the bracket. And the last one is update your variable. Okay, now I will make an example and explain. I have a plain project right here. Okay, and I will make an example right here. Put right here. Now, for example, the for loop I have for. I will init the variable. I will in j is 0. This means the loop will start from 0, and then if the condition is j less than 3, and update the variable will increase by 1, and then I have a program right here. I will bring something to the serial monitor. Again, this means the for loop will initialize the variable j is 0, then check the condition. If the condition less than 3, your program will be executed. But if it's greater than or is 3, will be out the loop. Okay, and then it will increase variable 1. And instead of initialize like this, we can initialize the variable out of the loop like this, and you just put change right here. Two way, you can put outside or. Okay, now I will run step by step for you now. First, when j is 0, j less than 3, right? Okay, it's less than, so the program will execute bring 0 to 0, and then increase the j1, j++, and now j is 2, it is 1, right? Okay, now when j is 1, j less than 3, right? Now the program will execute and sprint 1 to 0, and then j increase 1. Now j is 2, and now when j is 2, j less than 3, right? It will print 2 to 0, and then j++. J now is 3, and it will check when j is 3. J cannot less than 3, right? J cannot less than 3. The program not execute, and then it will out of the loop. Okay, that is the program. It will run like this. Okay, now we will compare to the result on serial monitor. Okay, now I will connect my Arduino. Don't care about this and about this. Don't care because I just write a program in this and check this. Okay, now board board file. Okay, now I will open the serial port by this function 115200. Okay, now I will upload the code and check. Oh, this serial port of serial monitor E9600, I will change it. Okay, then we'll change the baud rate to 115200. Here, it will bring 0 to 1 2, right? Bring 0 1 2 like I said. Okay, then I will use loop to control less again. I have a diagram like this, previous video, like this. Here the diagram will connect pin 10 to left, pin 9 to left mid, and the last one is 8 to the right. Okay, now we're playing left to right or right to left by loops. Okay, now we'll open playing again. As I said, in the previous video, you have to initialize pin mod one by one with pins you use, but cannot use many setup line. So that's the reason why I have a loop. We have a for loop. Okay, I will use this loop here from 8 from 8 to 11 because it will if I put the 10 right here, it cannot reach to 10 because it will come back to 10 and out. So I will put 11 right here. Okay, and we'll put this function to the loop. Okay, now I can set up the I forgot, I will pass the chain right here. Okay, now I can set up the pin mod 8, 9, and 10. Now I will turn on left from left to right or right to left. I have a loop. In loop, I will here. I will digitalize here. I will transfer J here. It will turn on left from left to right. Okay, now I will upload the code. Let's see. Oh, sorry, this card is playing from right to left, not left to right. Sorry. Okay, so next I will use two new functions. That's the continue and break. So I will talk about continue first. The function continue is that it will ignore the program when you use this function. So I will make an example. I will turn on left, right, and left, but don't turn on left mid. Okay, let's see my continue function. Here I will make a condition if j is left mid is 9, and if j is 9, I will make a continue. It means when j is 9, the continue is executed and it will out of loop, and then it will increase the j's by 1, but it don't run this code. Okay, let's see. I will upload to my Arduino. It will ignore the mid left, right? Blink from right to left, but ignore left mid. Okay, so next is break function. This function will exit the loop immediately and it don't run loop anymore, but it exit the loop immediately. Let's see. I will make a break right here and upload the code. It don't turn on left. It just turn on left, right. Okay, it just turn on left, right, and then increase chase by 1, and then if j is 9, it's break and out the loop. Okay, that are two function is continue and break. We are usually use when use loop. Now we will move to the while loop. Okay, while loop. Actually, while loop it is similar to the for loop, but it's slightly different from the syntax. It also have four parts as for loop. First, initialize loop variable, but it's different from this. You have to we must initialize this variable outside the loop. If not, your program may be error. Okay. And next is check condition, execute and update variable. Okay, it's corresponding to for position like this. We must initialize begin variable right here, and then we have a while loop. In while we have a condition, run program after compare with the condition and then update the variable. Okay. I will reuse the sample above. Okay, now I will change a little bit this code to while. I also have init j is 0 3 0, then y j less than 3. I will print out j. Okay, let's see. It's SMS the for, right? Oh, sorry, I forgot to update the variable. If you don't update the variable, your program may be overload because it's run many times. It lives forever. Okay. Okay, it also have three value like the for loop. Okay, now we will use while to make blinklet. I will change it to pin mode output, and this is 8, this is 11. Okay, and then this I will. It also have break and continue, but I don't use. You can try to use it to see what's different between them. Okay, while j less than 11. Okay, then blink, but now one blink it from left to right, so I will change it to 11, and this is greater than 7. This is 10. Okay, now I will j minus to decrease the variable. Okay, let's check. Okay, it blinked from left to right. Okay, so now I will move to the next section, that is string. I will clear all of this. Okay, now in the previous video I used string, but now we'll introduce you some applications about string. When you use this function, you usually put a string in this string, your string. But now I will transfer a string parameters to this function by this. I have a string. My welcome string is welcome to programming knowledge. Okay, then I will pass it to this without the quotes. Okay, let's check. It also is executed. Okay, and now if I want to combine two or more string, what I have to do? So I will do like this. I also have a string. My start string is let's go. If we are lazy, we can combine two string by this side is plus my start string. Okay, and then combine. Okay, you see Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Let's go. So instead of that, we usually combine string for clearly, right? Combine is my welcome string combine with a space and then combine with my start string, or combine with a new line for easily see. Okay, now I will put the combine to this and then upload. Okay, welcome to Programming Knowledge. Why is print twice? Because I forgot to clear the old code, right? Again, I will reset. Yes, welcome to Programming Knowledge. Let's go. Okay, well, that's a few things about loop and string. Thank you for watching the video.